Hey everyone, Codex here. Today what we're gonna do is take a look at Terra Luna and its current momentum in order to know if 43 US dollars is really our bottom or if we could go lower in the next couple of weeks. So if that's something you are interested in and you find these videos helpful, make sure to subscribe to the channel, like this video and click on that bell icon so you get notified when I upload a new video. Also, make sure to join our Telegram channel where you can have access to my indicators and models for free, and let's get into this one. So, Luna has done exceptionally well last year, and when the vast majority of the cryptocurrencies were going down back in Q4, Luna was right here breaking new milestones and new all-time highs at every occasion. And to go from less than $4 all the way up to an all-time high of about 106 bucks in 7 months is somewhat crazy to say the least. I mean, we don't see that every day, even in the crypto space. However, as of late, Luna hasn't been doing that good, and since it has reached its all-time high back in December, we have been in a continuous downtrend. The price is currently down about 51% from our top, and it was down 60% a day ago. And going down 60% in a single month is somewhat concerning. So I really do understand it when a lot of investors worry and panic in such moments. It's not easy to grasp it when 60% of your holdings are wiped out in 30 days. Now, after falling below the 20 days MA, Luna has found its support right at the 200 days moving average at about 45 bucks. And as long as we remain above this line, then things are somewhat okay. They aren't perfect, but they are okay. However, if Luna can't hold this line like it did back in May, then we will most likely experience further pullbacks. We all know how important the 200 days moving average is in defining our trend, and holding it for now is very crucial if we want to experience another leg up. Going below the 200 days moving average will most likely result in a bearish phase where the price will keep trending down for months. Moving to our momentum, now on the daily time frame, we can see that we have a bullish cross on the stochastic RSI. And look, the last time we had such a cross, it was back at the start of January, and that has led to a move to the upside of about 39%. Luna was going down right here, and following this signal, a short-term upside movement happened. Now, a similar move to the upside from our bottom would take us to roughly 60 bucks, and that's decent. It's definitely possible. I mean, we might see something like that, but it's really not that likely given that Bitcoin is struggling to go above the 39 to 40,000 US dollar mark. The fate of the market depends mainly on Bitcoin's next move, and if Bitcoin remains bearish in the midterm, and if we experience a second shakeout where we revisit the 32k level, then Luna will surely suffer. It's really rare to see an altcoin rising and breaking new all-time highs when Bitcoin is bleeding. Another thing to mention is that despite the current bullish cross on the stochastic RSI that we previously talked about, we don't have a confirmation yet, since both lines are technically below the level of 20. And the last time this happened, it ended up being a trap. Look, back in the last couple of days of December, we had a couple of green candles, followed by a bullish cross on our indicator on the first day of January. But this move to the upside wasn't really sustainable, and we ended up going down 34%. So as I said, as long as we are below the level of 20, things remain worrying on the daily time frame, as this might be a trap. Look, I'm not saying it's a trap because most of the time it's not. I'm just saying it might be. And since Bitcoin isn't doing well, this increases the odds that this might be nothing but a fake move to the upside. I really don't want to start talking about an uptrend and a rise when we are struggling. I mean, a month ago, everybody was worried about a $40,000 BTC. Now everybody is worried about a $30,000 BTC, and if we go to 30,000 with Bitcoin, people will start worrying about a 20k BTC, and the same applies to the alts since they are correlated. And this is why your best bet is to focus on the bigger picture and on the macro scale. From a long-term perspective, Luna is still shaky, but this doesn't deny the fact that upside movements here and there are possible. All I want to say is that if you are a long-term holder, your best bet is to accumulate in these phases when we break below long-term trends, like when we went below the 200 days MA, for example. And if you are going to keep delaying your buys every single time because you aim on buying the bottom or because you think Luna will go to $5 or $10, then you will most likely end up with nothing. This is, of course, not a financial advice, but in my opinion, if you believe in a project and it's down about 70 or 80% from its all-time high and you don't buy it because you fear another small drop, then crypto is probably not for you. I'm sorry. That was about it, guys, for Luna today. Thanks for sticking by till the end. Don't forget to subscribe, leave the video a thumbs up and a comment, as every bit of support helps us moving forward. Don't forget to join our Telegram channel, where, as I said, you can get free access to my indicators, and peace.